Hi guys, welcome back to another video here at Yessimperfections. So I decided to make a salmon today, and I was going to make some mixed veggies, but instead I ended up making a salad. So I preheated the oven to 380. So to prepare the salmon, I'll be showing you guys here what I added. So I added some garlic pepper seasoning. And yes, I did go a little bit overboard with it. And I added some onion salt also. So I do like salmon. I don't know how many of you guys like salmon. I don't eat it as often, but it's actually pretty healthy for you. I'm adding some lemon pepper also, and maybe I should have just added that, but I did add a little bit of salt also to it. Oh, and I did add some basil leaves also. I added some olive oil to the salmon, but I did also add some to the pan also. But you actually don't need that much oil. You could have probably just added some to the pan. So like I said, salmon is pretty good for you. I believe it does have some like omega-3 that is important for you to like lower your cholesterol, as other good benefits to you. I was trying to cut it, but because it had the skin on the bottom, you couldn't cut it. But once it was cooked, it was easier to cut. So there you go. Here's the salmon all prepared. Now I did put it in, I was cooking it for, well, I put a timer for about 15 minutes, but then I probably after that I added another 10 minutes for it to cook really good. Okay guys, I'm going to make a salad also to go with the food. So I'm going to cut some cucumbers, but I am going to leave the skin in because that's all the nutrients. I'll be adding some spring mix. Alright, you guys can see that. And I'll be adding some of the classic iceberg salad. This is iceberg lettuce, carrots, and red cabbage. So let's open this stuff up. I was going to make some veggies like on the oven. I want to go buy this bag, but I think I'll just have a salad. That will be my veggies. So let's add some of this. I won't make too much just because probably only me will have some. I'll add some of this. Let's add the cucumber. Yummy. I'm going to add some of the original ranch with avocado. Well, actually, I will add this separately. I'll just mix this like that. Whoever wants any can add their desired ranch or dressing. And there you guys go, pretty easy. So I will just be adding some of the Roma tomatoes. And that's probably it. Here you go, here's the salad. And let's check on the salmon. So here you guys go. Here's my salad with my salmon. It looks very crispy and yummy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you guys been wanting more cooking videos, and whenever I can, I will be making these videos for you guys. So today was one of those days that I couldn't, so I was adding the avocado ranch to my salad, and I also added some avocado here in a bit. And what a healthy lunch or dinner that you can make for your family or just for yourself. So okay guys, well, bon appetit. I am going to enjoy my dinner, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go subscribe and come be part of the butterfly family, and I'll see you guys soon.